So you may find yourself on a planet that you don't recognize. You may find yourself with a beautiful spaceship, and you may ask yourself, how did I get on this planet? How did I get this beautiful spaceship? This is Calvin, and I'm showing you Venture the Void, which is a fun space adventure game that I made a long time ago and have recently re-released. This video shows you how to fly into outer space. So first thing, as we saw previously, we can cruise around the planet, steer around, we can open our little planet nav, etc., see what's around and fly to it. What I want to show you is first that there's a little bit of a difference to how you fly when you're on a planet versus when you're in space. So when you're on a planet, you steer left to right, and you steer relative to the surface of the planet. If you want to do a roll though, just hold the shift key and you can do a roll. Whoops, a little clumsy there, but you get the idea. If you want to point up into outer space and fly directly into outer space, hold the shift key and point your ship up, and let's fly to outer space. It's good to use your boost to get into outer space. Takes a little while, but you'll eventually escape the planet. You can tell you've escaped it because it looks like you're in outer space, and also the music stops because you can't really have music in the depths of the void. So anyways, you can turn your ship around and see the planet. When you're in outer space, you don't turn so much as you roll. So it's as if you're holding down shift all the time. And that's because there's no up or down in outer space, as we all know. That's sort of the magic of it, is it's free from gravity. So you can of course fly around in outer space. We could fly to this moon, but it's pretty far away. Oops, we've been recaptured by the planet here. Hang on. So you can get, so the planets are moving in outer space in their orbit. So depending sort of which way you leave the planet, you could become recaptured by them actually. And you would find yourself again on the planet. But what I was gonna say is, you certainly can fly yourself to planets or moons just by kind of pointing at them and say boosting, and then you'll eventually get there. But like, that takes a while. So what you need to do realistically is engage your warp engines. Press escape to open the menu, click this, which is the system map, and you could zoom in and see what there is to see. If you kind of hover over a planet, like the one that we're on, or the one we're actually not on it, you can see here, we're just near it. If we zoom all the way in, and this is actually to scale. So if you click info, it'll tell you what's on that planet. The pink ones are inhabited and the blue ones are usually uninhabited. Let's go to this moon. Just click warp and we'll warp there. You can fly there manually. That is actually sometimes fun to do, but it's a whole lot easier to warp. Now we're on a moon and we can fly around and we can see our planet map for that moon, see what's around. Looks like a whole lot of red-brown lava rock deposits. Just for fun, let's harvest one. I've moved my targeter on it so I can see it. There it is. And now just push spacebar to shoot it. And look at that. There's a magical gem. Oops, hang on. I am a little bit clumsy here because I am controlling the game with a trackpad with only one hand, because I've got my other hand occupied. So yeah, you could boost around just like on a planet, only now we're on a moon. And if you fly from planets to moons or to other uninhabited planets, you might find things like red-brown lava rock deposits that you could shoot and collect. So that'll do it for this video. The next video I'll show you something else.